Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to make a fish pie and my ingredients are, here I have assorted mix of fish which includes salmon, white fish, cod and smoked coulis. Then for the sauce I'm going to use white sauce and I have a cup of milk that we're going to make it with. Then I have organic potatoes, green beans, broccoli and baby spinach. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing to get started is I'm going to peel and chop the potatoes and then we're going to boil them. So once the potatoes are chopped and peeled, they can be added into the pot. So I've just put my pot on a medium heat and then I'm going to add in some boiling water. And then we're just going to leave these to boil for approximately 15 minutes. And then I just put the steamer on top because I'm now going to prepare the broccoli and green beans for to be steamed. So I'm just going to cut the top and the tail off the green beans and then I'm going to cut them into slices of 3. So once the green beans are chopped, they can now be added into the steamer. And then our next step is to prepare the broccoli. So we're just going to cut the broccoli up into small pieces. So now that the broccoli is chopped, that can also be put into the steaming pot. And so then we're just going to cover over the pot and we're going to leave that to cook along with the potatoes. So now we're ready to start cooking the fish. So I have my baking tray and I'm just going to add in the mix of fish. So I've put the oven on 150 degrees, it's preheated. So I'm just going to add this in and leave it for 10 minutes, then take it out and give it a check. So I've just taken the fish out of the oven after 10 minutes of cooking. So you can see that the colour has changed because it is now starting to cook through. So what I'm going to do next is the broccoli and green beans have now been steaming for 15 minutes. So they have started to soften up. So now I'm going to add these in with the fish. And then give that a mix around. And then we're ready to make the sauce. So I'm just going to take the white sauce and sprinkle it over the fish and veg. And then I'm going to add in the cup of milk. And then mix it all around until all the powder from the white sauce has absorbed into the milk. So now once that is all absorbed in around the veg and the fish, I'm now going to add in the baby spinach. So we're just going to pour this over on top. So when we put this in the oven, it'll shrink with the heat. So I'm just going to put it in and then I'll take it back out after about 5 minutes and then give it a stir in with the fish. So now I'm just checking on the potatoes, see how they're doing. So I'm just going to put my fork in and check to see if they're soft. Yeah. So the potatoes are now nice and soft, which means they're ready to mash. So I'm going to drain out the water and then I'm going to start mashing them. So now the potatoes all mashed, so that's ready. So I'm just going to put the lid back on it so it can stay warm while we're waiting for the veg and fish to finish cooking. So I've just taken back out the baking tray. So you can see now that the spinach has shrunk down. So now I'm going to mix it in with the veg and the fish and the sauce. And then I'm just going to put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes before I add on the mashed potato. So I've just taken it back out after the other 5 minutes of cooking. So the sauce is now starting to get a bit thicker. So we're ready now for it to add on the mashed potato on top. So you just cover over the top with the mashed potato so that all the fish and veg are all covered over. And then I'm going to put it in the oven and leave it there to cook for another 10 minutes. So now I've just taken it out of the oven after another 10 minutes of cooking. So for extra taste, if you want, you can add on some grated cheese. So I'm just going to sprinkle over grated cheese on the top. So then I'm just going to put this in the oven for another 2 minutes just so the cheese can melt in. And then our fish pie will be all ready. Now the fish pie is all finished. All I'm left to do is serve. So as you could see in the video, it's very simple to make. Not too much prep work, and approximately takes 45 minutes for it to cook in total. And then you end up with a very delicious and healthy recipe. So now I'm just going to serve up. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Leave a comment if you wish. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.